the greatest testimony of your life. Through history I did not want my children's path to be a cold and detached relationship with me or a life of service to a religious organization. Many Christian churches and religious organizations eventually became such strong structures and spiritually suffocated my children, sacrificing them only for their own organization and interests, especially economic ones. Unfortunately, many times, they have made them believe that they are in the path of shame and sin and trapped them in this addiction. Do not limit your faith experience based on someone or some organization only. You are to have a daily relationship of heart and love with me, which will eventually bring you the keys to my kingdom. You are called today to realize my ideal, and this means freeing yourselves from historical problems, and from a position of being servants of a church, or a group, into a position of loyalty and identity to me and my ideal of creation. Only in this way can my kingdom exist. The daily heartfelt experience you personally can have with me is the greatest testimony you can leave in your earthly life. In every organization there is corruption. Corruption exists if there is no balance, if people are driven to focus too much on worldly, earthly things, instead of spiritual things. On position, power, outer sense, and they lose inner, divine awareness. One of the greatest failures of Christianity was when they began to create an institution of faith, which everyone had to copy automatically. In creating these institutions, my Christian children, they automatically became corrupt, full of selfish competition, and also opened themselves to a way of living with each other from this world, themselves and their families. Do not make the same mistake as Christianity. Do not idolize anyone other than me. Religions have created people to idolize, people you can't approach and no one can be like them, because that's where idolatry came from. Idolatry, number one, has been created in the inability to apply anything of the guide's teaching in their own individual lives, exalting them too much, idolizing them and then turning away or blocking in my children personal understanding and relationship with me. You must elevate yourselves as one son to me. I am a personal and family God. Each child and family can express joy, happiness and love to me in a unique and inimitable way for eternity. Each child is unique to me and has unique, absolute and eternal value to me.